Hi, I'm Theo, and together we customize TalentLMS with code. By default, learners can view their courses in grid or list format based on your initial setup. They can always switch views anytime. With this customization, you can permanently enable the list view for their dashboard, the course catalog, or both. Log in as administrator in TalentLMS and navigate to themes. Copy the related code from the Advanced Customization cheat sheet and paste it in the CSS tab. Select the part of the code that you need. The first part will enable the list view just on their dashboard, while the second parts of the code will apply to their course catalog. Now, learners will have a preset view of courses in list format. Are you ready to get started?